Most PR pros are spending way too long on graphics, and there are tools built specifically to fix that. If you're putting together a media kit, a pitch deck, or social content, and you don't have a designer on your team, you need tools that do the heavy lifting for you. Here are 3 tools worth knowing. First up, Canva. It's probably the one you heard of, but it's worth knowing what it actually does well. You get drag and drop templates pre-sized for every platform, a built-in brand kit so everything stays consistent, and tight integrations with Pexels and Pixabay so you're sourcing images and designing in the same place. Fast, intuitive, and you don't need design experience to get a result that looks like you do. If you're working with data, research, campaign results, anything you're pitching to media, Piktochart is the one. It's built specifically for turning information into visuals, infographics, reports, data-backed pitch materials. When your ideas are strong but your visuals aren't matching them, this is what closes that gap. And if you need something fast, Snappa, lightweight, minimal setup, built for quick turn content. Sometimes you don't need all the features, you just need it done. All 3 of these, plus image libraries and more, are in PRToolFinder's graphic design category. Check out the link in the description. And for even more PR tools, check out PRToolFinder.com. Thanks for watching.